Mom. Mama? Can you say mama? Hey, mama. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Can you wave? Yeah, like that. Say hi. Hey, you can do it. Yeah, good job. So, we say, hi, everybody. Good job. You want to give Mama high fives? Give Mama high fives? Give Mama high fives? High fives? High fives? Come on. Yeah, good job. Do you want to watch some Dora? Should we watch some Dora? Dora? Do you want to watch Dora? Gonna say Dora? Not right now? Come on, you like to say Dora. Oh, you just want my phone. Say Dora. Dora? Check out the crazy hair today. She woke up like this. I don't know what happened. Anyway, hello. From me, because I always video her, but I say hi too. And it's snowing lots outside. It's kind of pretty. Like, very Christmassy, which is cool since, Christmas is a little while away. Yeah, I'm crazy. Okay, I'm going to stop now. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Why are you staring at me? Stop staring at me. That's better.